Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine children. So my dear students, today's class is GK class, okay? One session we have finished. Now this is your second session and now I am going to teach you 3 chapters, okay? And hope you are doing well and you are studying also, okay? So prepare well yourself, take your pencil, be ready with your pencil and book, okay? So take your book. We will study 27 chapter, 28 chapter and 29 chapter, okay? So in 27 chapter, that is animals home, okay? Where the how we live in a home now, we live in a house. So children, so we here animals also having house, okay? Some animals they live in a jungle, that is called wild animals, and some animals they are having house also, they are having homes, so they live in a home. So some animals here in the book it is given with the home where they live. So first picture you can see here, the chapter is animals homes. I will write here. Animals homes. So children, how we need to stay in a house, we need to stay, we need everything. So animals also need everything. They also need, some animals are having, because they are domestic animals, so they also need for care they need. So they are also having homes. So first chapter is, that is 27 animals homes, okay? So first you can see, first animal, you can take out your book, see the picture of animal, that is horse. So what you have to do, in the board I will write, you have to do in the middle, small letters is given like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, okay? Only things that you have to write the numbers in front of that box. It is given in the box, it is given in front of the this letters. So in front of that letter box is given, you have to find out the their homes, okay? Animals homes you have to find and you have to write the correct numbers on that. So first is horse. So horse, where the horse stay, horse and house is stable, okay? So where is stable, you can see the G number is given here, and the horse stay in a stable. So you have to write, the horse number is 1, and you can see the this alphabet G is given, you have to write in front of that 1. So I am going to write only the alphabet, okay? Like A, okay, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What you have to do, in front of this you can see the homes are given, okay? But I will not draw the homes, I will write the name and the box, okay? So here in front of A is written, yes, in front of A is written Coop, 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 and one box is given here. You can see the box, okay? And in front of B it is given nest, 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 and in front of that one box is given, you can write the number, okay? So in front of C, you can see that web is there. Okay. And in front of that, one box is given. Number D, you can see it's written kennel. KENNEL, kennel. And in front of also there is one box. In front of E, it is given shade and one box. Okay. In front of F, also it is written here den and box is there. In front of G, you can see stable and one box is there. Stable also. And the last one is letter H. You can see it's written here hide. Okay. So box is here. What you have to do, children, only that you have to see the number. Okay. So first number, you can see which animal is this? This is horse. Okay. So this is a horse and horse stay in a stable. So in stable, where it is written? In number G. So first we will see coop. So first, if we will do with the coop, you can see you have to go with number 4. Okay. So hen is live in a coop. Where the hen lives? In a coop. So first number we will take. Okay. So we will start from the number 1. So horse stay in a stable and you can see down you can come and letter G is there. In front of G letter you have to write number 1. What you will write here? Number 1. All of you have to write now only. Okay. Take your pencil and write number 1 here in front of letter G. Stable is written. The horse lives in the stable. Now children, number 2 we will take spider. Spider, where the spider live? Spider lives in the web. You can see number C. Okay. In front of web I have written VEB and here you have to write the number 2. Okay. Over. Yes. Number 3. This animal is bee. Okay. So bee lives in a hive. So we will go with H and down at the last you can see the H, hive, 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 and B number is 3. You have to write here 3. So 1, 2, 3 we have finished. Now we'll come to number 4, that is hen. Where the hen lives? Hen lives where? You know where the hen lives? Yes, number 4 where is? First number only. Coop. The hen lives in a coop. Okay. So you have to write in first only. You have to write here number 4. Okay. So the hen lives in a coop. So we have finished 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now next line we will come this part. This part we have finished. This part we have to come. Number 5 you can see the bird and bird lives in a nest. Okay. So bird lives in a nest. So nest you can see. Number B I have written here nest. N-E-S-T nest. So you have to write here number 5. Okay. Now we go to number 6 dog. And dogs lives in a kennel. Where is kennel? Yes, letter D. In front of letter D, you have to write number 6 for dog. Okay? K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. In front of that, you have to write number 6. Now we'll go to number 7, that is cow. Cow lives in a shade. So you have to write in front of E, shade is there, SHED, shade. You have to write here number 7. Now children, one more animal is left, that is lion. Lion lives in a den. Then you can see letter F. So in front of letter F, D, E and then you have to write number 8. Okay. So horse, okay, horse lives in a where? Stable. This is number 1. Okay, horse lives in a stable. And number 2, spider. Okay. Number 2 is spider. And spider lives in a web. So web we have written. So like that you have to match with the number and you have to write in the correct number in the box. Okay children. So this lesson we have finished. Okay. And you have written. Okay. So children, you have to note down this. Okay. Now children, next lesson is animals sound. How we sound? We speak. When we talk, that is called when we speak. So we speak each other, na? Like that animals also speak. So that is called sound. They make sound. And when they make sound, the sound that is called, that is means their voice. The sound is their voice, what they say. So that is called animal sound. So here some animals are there and their sounds means how they sound, how they speak. मीन्स कैसे वो आवाज़ निकालते हैं. आवाज़ निकालना उनकी एक, हर एक जानवर की आवाज़ अलग अलग होती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड साउंड. ओके. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी अ काउ, अ बी, अ डॉग, अ कैट, अ लायन, अ डोंकी, a snake, a goat, a frog, a duck. So how they sound? In front of the picture box is given. What you have to do? You have to write the correct spelling of what their sound is there. Okay. So a cow is. So I will rub this. That is animals sound. SOUNDS sound. Okay. Animal sounds. Chapter 28. You can see here what you have to do. You have to take your pencil and you have to write the correct. You have to write correct sound spelling. Okay. So first is a cow. A cow moves. Okay. You have to write the correct spelling of moves. Number 1 I am writing here. You have to see and write moves. Okay. In that you have to fill the spelling M double O M double O S. This is for a cow moves. Okay. Number 2, a bee. Number 2, a bee. How she sounds? She sounds, we call hums. She sound hums. HUMS. Her sound is hums. Okay. Number 2. Number 3, a dog. Number 3 is a dog. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a dog barks. Bhav bhav, dog do not. You have listened his voice? Yes, he sounds, he barks. Okay, so dog barks. B, it sounds is barks. B-A-R-K-S. Children, you have to write. So come, you have to write with me and complete it. Okay. Number 4, a cat. How the cat sounds? The cat sounds is mews. Meow. The cat sounds mews. Okay, you have to write the spelling. Correct spelling you have to write for cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So spelling is M-E-O-W-S. The cat's mews. Okay. The lion roars. A lion roars. So lion sound is roars. So you have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the spelling of lion sounds roars is R-O-A-R-S. Okay, you can see. Now number 6, you can see a donkey. A donkey brays. A donkey sound is brays. Okay, so we will write here a donkey sound is brays. What is the spelling of brays? B-R-A-Y-S. It is brays. Number 7, a snake. Snake hiss. Okay, the spelling is hisses. So you have to write here his sound. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks we have to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the spelling of hisses? H-I-S-S-E-S. Okay. Now number 8, a goat bleats. A goat bleats. You can see a goat bleats. Okay. So you have to repeat a goat bleats. Now I will write here number 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the spelling of bleats? B-L-E-A-T-S. Okay. So this is the sound of goat. Okay, bleats. Now we have to come for frog. A frog sounds is croaks. Okay, a frog sounds is croak. Number 9, or I will write up there so that you can see properly. Number 9, I will rub this. So I am writing here number 9. That is a frog sound. Okay. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What what is the spelling of goat sounds? Sorry, frog sounds. It is croak. C-R-O-A-K-S. Okay. Now number 10. A duck sound is quacks. Duck says na quack quack. So duck sound is quack. Number 10. Sound of duck is quack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the spelling of quacks? Q-U-A, C-K-S. Okay. So duck sound is quacks. Okay. Only 2 spellings I have not written down because you will not able to see. So I have written here up. So 9 number. A frog sound is croaks. A duck sound is quacks. Okay. So we have finished this lesson. Now the third lesson is season of the year. Okay. Season of the year. Now which season now we are facing? This season we are wearing sweater, caps and all, shawl, jacket. We are using which season? In which season we use this all things? We use in winter season. So here children, there are 5 seasons of the year. There are 5 seasons of the year, and that is summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn. Okay. Once again I will repeat for you. There are 5 seasons: summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn season. So what you have to do? Here it is given season of the year and the pictures has given. Under the picture you have to write the correct season, and exercise B you have to match it. Okay. So first what we have to do? First season it's showing. See, the boy is wearing sweater and all. So which season will be there? Winter season. So you have to write with the number. Okay. So we'll do. Now chapter is, I will write here, chapter 29, that is season of the year. Okay. Season of the year. Season of the year. 5 seasons we have. I have told you, and the pictures you can see. And now which season? Now we are facing which season? Yes, we are in winter season. Now we are wearing sweater, shawl, jacket and all. Like that, in all the season we wear other types of clothes. Like first I have told you winter season, we are in winter season. So we are wearing sweater and all. Now next one you can see spring season. In that flower blooms. Flowers will be there. In the garden you see the flowers blooms in the garden. Okay. And next one is number 3 is summer season. In summer season what we use? Umbrella, and we wear cotton clothes. We eat ice cream, we drink cold drinks also. And you can see autumn season. Autumn season what we see? The tree, we see the tree empty. Empty tree we see. Why? The leaves is coming down. Old leaves are coming down. So that is called autumn season. That is not look nice, but new leaves also they also have to come now. New leaves. So that old leaves are coming down and new leaves are coming. So that is called autumn season. Now that is monsoon. Monsoon is, we call rainy season also, and in rainy season what we wear? Yes, raincoat we use umbrella, we use winter that rainy jacket also, so that you can see monsoon. Okay, so you have to write the numbers. Now I am going to write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Only that you have to write under the picture, you have to write the name. The first one is winter season. You have to write the name of winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Okay. Number 2, spring season. So you have to write spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Number 3, summer season, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Number 4, autumn season, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn season. Number 5, monsoon, M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. So this only you have to do. Now next exercise is B, connect the words. Connect the words means you have to connect it like this. You can't see in your book, you can see. I will connect it. Now you can see, I will show you here. This you can see, this part. Okay, so first one is what you have to do. You have to, with the season, you have to match with the what we see in the season. Na? So in winter, what we see? Winter season, cold. We feel cold. Summer season, we feel hot. Okay, so you have to match it like this. Now number 3, spring season, flowers bloom. Monsoon, what? Rain. In monsoon, what it is? Rain. And autumn season, leaves shed. Okay, leaf shed. Okay, so this we have finished, children. In the book, 3 lessons you have to write in the book, not in the copy. Dear students, now we have finished this session. Okay, so now Christmas holidays are coming. Enjoy your holidays and wear winter clothes properly because it's very cold. Okay, so be happy at home and enjoy very well. New Year is also coming, so happy Christmas and happy New Year to my dear kids and my dear parents. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye. Take care.